tell you independence is only a half measure in most of our African countries. Some don't even control a bit of their natural resources. Go to Gabon. All wealth that lies underground belongs to France. That's the agreement. And it is so in other Francophone countries. Oil, they discover oil, it belongs to France. They discover diamonds, they belong to France. And the miners will be naturally French. And what apportionment you are given, perhaps 12% of the earnings from oil, 15%. It's terrible. Equatorial Guinea has come out of it, and they describe to us what is happening to their neighbors. And that's why one coup after another, coup attempt after another, you see, is tried. But unfortunately for them, they have had the wisdom to know in advance that the Spanish, the French, and so on are arranging these coup d'etats. But the issue is to put them, just to remove the leadership, so the West can control. You saw what happened when they can't remove a person, have a person removed by his government, by his people. They contrive some, put together some concoction of lies. He is oppressing his own people. He's killing his own people. Gaddafi. We must prevent him from killing his own people. Go to United Nations and have proof of crying Libyans, oh, this man is killing us. And you believe the tears? No. They are induced. False tears. To get, they have been bought over to get the world to believe that true, this man is oppressing his own people. And NATO is given the go-ahead by the Security Council. They get the 2/3 majority. And their aim, first objective is to hunt for the leader, Gaddafi, even for his children, and try to kill them. And they succeeded, killed members of his family. He tried to hide, but they caught up with him and pretended that it was one of his own people who shot him. The same story had been told about Saddam Hussein in Iraq. Even Blair wanted to attack us. Your people have not told you that. They don't frighten you. He came here, the government, I think Thabo Mbeki was in charge, said, no, give us the country so we can have our soldiers here. He said no, others also said no, Botswana included, to attack Zimbabwe and remove Mugabe because we're taking land from the settlers against his will. He wanted to stop the agreement that we had gone into with Margaret Thatcher, reverse it. It was Labour, you see. and Margaret Thatcher was conservative.